In this video, we will be discussing the BAi The Mirror 15 Needles Embroidery Machine, a versatile commercial embroidery solution designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists. I have provided the Amazon link to this embroidery machine in the description below if you want to know the latest price and check the reviews from people who have already purchased it. The BAi Mirror embroidery machine comes with 15 needles, allowing you to work on multiple thread colors without constantly changing threads. Its large 20 by 14-inch embroidery area is perfect for t-shirts, jackets, hats, bags, and even shoes, giving you the flexibility to create a wide variety of projects. The machine's speed is impressive, reaching up to 1,200 stitches per minute, while structural hats can be embroidered at a stable 850 SPM, which is significantly faster than many other commercial embroidery machines. Equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen, this machine is user-friendly and makes navigating designs and settings intuitive. You can transfer your designs easily via USB or Wi-Fi, and the unique cloud platform supports cross-equipment operations and batch pattern files, making workflows smooth and efficient. The machine also comes with a wide range of preset accessories, so you're ready to start right away without purchasing extra tools. On the support side, BAi offers free training and technical guidance, walking you through everything from unboxing and assembly to threading and tension adjustments. Joining their 18K+ user group and accessing their tutorial videos provides additional tips and tricks from experienced embroidery shop owners. While it is a high-end, heavy-duty machine, its learning curve is manageable thanks to the detailed guidance. Overall, it's a powerful, reliable choice for anyone looking to scale their embroidery projects professionally.